Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 update error code. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, going to your start menu and go to your settings of your Windows. Go to your update and security and go to your troubleshoot. Click on additional troubleshooters. Select the Windows update and run the troubleshooter. Click the close button and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a services. Open a services. Find out Windows Update. Open up Windows Update Services and make sure that it's selected automatic. I have already selected the automatic. Select automatic, click on Start button, click on Apply, OK, and restart the services. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Open up. After that, type a command is net space stop space wuauserv and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space bits. After that, type a command is net space stop space crypt svc and press enter. After that, type a command is run c column backslash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After that, type a command is run c column backslash windows backslash system32 backslash catro2 space catro2.old and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space wuauserv and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space bits and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space crypt svc and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this, that type a command is sfc space /scan now and press enter. After that, it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a command is dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After that, it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer. I hope after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open any browser and search engine and type a Windows 10 download. Click on first link is Microsoft.com, download Windows 10 disk image. Click on download now. Click on save button and after that open it. Click on accept button to continue. Select upgrade this PC now and click on next button. When you click on the next button, the process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete this process. After completing that, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.